I have some kitchen must-haves and some brand new home items from Dollar Tree that you are going to love. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Green Chef. All right, everybody, we've got some very cool kitchen essentials and some home essentials for you. I'm really excited. I think that the extra $1.25 is starting to pay off in some of our stores. There are some things that are finally starting to show up, and I'm like, that's pretty good for the extra 25 cents Dollar Tree. And then there's some bonus items. I'm going to show you some items that are not necessarily kitchen related, but you could use them in the kitchen or the dining room in some ways. And then I've also got a sneak peek at some upcoming DIYs for you, just because I'm excited about them and I wanted you to see them. And they're probably not going to come out until after this video. So let's just jump into it. Before I jump into this, thank you. Thank you to my subscribers. You guys know who you are. That was my email going off in the background. But I have just loved this journey for the last couple years. And thank you. Thank you guys so much. It's been so great getting to know you and, hearing your stories and letting me share my stories with you guys. And if you're brand new, hi, my name is Jamie. Hopefully you'll stick around and become a subscriber. Now let's stop the jammering and get into this. These kitchen utensils, these wooden kitchen utensils, I have seen these before, but I've not seen them with this silicone handle to them. And these are something that I thought were very high-end looking. Like, I thought that you would spend a lot more money than $1.25 for these. Now, the only thing that probably would have made them much, much better, in my opinion, was to have these in navy. They have them in the gray. The gray still goes with my kitchen, so I'll make an exception for you this time. If I find them in navy, yes, I will just buy them again. And I loved that I could find all four of them too. Now, I have a fairly expensive set of cookware that my parents bought me for Christmas a couple years ago. My mom always reminds me not to put it in the dishwasher and things like that. And so I love to use those wood utensils on that because it doesn't scratch. I don't have to worry about that. And I either use that or the silicone for my cookware. Now, another thing I grabbed was this great size mixing bowl. Look how big this is. At first I thought it was like a party bowl or something like in the entertaining section. And of course you could definitely use it for that. It's got the little pour spout, which I think is fantastic, especially when you're working with something this big. I love to have a really big bowl like this when I am doing pasta salad or, potato salad or anything like that. And what was super cool about these as well, they had them in red, they had them in white, and they have them in blue. How perfect could that be for July 4th coming up? And it does say mixing bowl on the bottom, so it didn't sneak over. And again, I love this little pouring spout. Now, I think it's so important to have so many great basics in the kitchen, but we all know that it's also very important to have really good food in your kitchen. And that is where our sponsor today, Green Chef, comes into play. Green Chef is a CCOF certified organic meal kit company that helps you cook clean, delicious dinners week after week with step-by-step recipes and pre-measured premium ingredients that save you time. They are changing the meal kit subscription game with options for every single lifestyle, including keto, paleo, vegan, vegetarian, fast and fit, Mediterranean, and gluten-free. You can elevate your weeknight dinners with Green Chef's seasonal, chef-crafted recipes featuring farm-fresh produce and organic, sustainably sourced ingredients. With fresh produce, premium proteins, and organic ingredients you can trust, Green Chef is the #1 best meal kit for eating well. Green Chef always changes their variety of easy-to-follow recipes, which means there's something new to discover each week, so you are never going to get bored. Their easy-to-follow recipes include fast and fit meals, under 700 calories, and ready in 25 minutes or less, that all provide a delicious solution to a hectic and crazy schedule. Green Chef makes easy cooking so you can spend less time stressing and more time enjoying delicious home-cooked meals. Green Chef's pre-made and pre-measured sauces, dressings, and spices get you more chef-curated flavor in less time, and Green Chef supports a healthy lifestyle. With their pre-portioned, easy-to-follow recipes delivered right to your door, it's never been easier for you to hit your wellness goals. Bring more flavor to your table in the new year with Green Chef's delicious, nutritious recipes. Right now, use my code DIYGuy60 to get 60% off plus free shipping. Go to greenchef.com for more details. There's also a link down in my description box below. The Essentials line that's at Dollar Tree is actually a very cool kind of concept. And what I like about this is that the pieces are kind of sold separately. So like even this pole is sold separately. And then you've got these pieces that kind of add on. And then I also grabbed, here it is, I was like, where is it? This sponge mop too. And again, something that is very cool is that it all fits on that same pole. Now, for $1.25, you know, if you wanted to, $1.25 each, I guess, if you wanted to buy enough of these to, I'm trying not to hit the camera. If you wanted to buy enough of these to have in your, you know, in your laundry area or where you keep your cleaning supplies and stuff, by all means, go for it. Why not? They're, you know, $2.50 a piece. But what I love about this kind of setup is that I can keep these and have, I guess I can keep one of these or two of these, but then have 5 or 6 or 7 of these, however many different kind of attachments that they make. And they're pretty easy for me to store. Now on my back pantry, I have a area that doesn't have a lot of space, but I can keep these kind of essentials, especially these that have the holes in them, because I can hang those on the wall with like a little command strip hook. And then I can also use something like this that's also sold in that essentials area to hang on the wall to be able to put the mops and different things. And then it's got the hook here in the middle for something like a very cool feather duster. Now, this feather duster, if you don't know about this feather duster, you need to check it out, because when I first saw it, I was like, it looks kind of puny. I don't think I'm going to like that. You know, what am I going to do with that? But then when you take this off, look how big this thing gets. It gets giant. I love to have this in my kind of cleaning arsenal, if you will, and on my back porch where I do keep my mops and my brooms and different things. My freezer's out there. I like to have this as well because my back porch is not 100% like weatherproof, and I can hang these kind of stuff like this particular, like my freezer is like a chest freezer, so I can dust it off. I really, really love it. And then another thing that I also really, really love that's at Dollar Tree is this mixing bowl. I think I've probably bought like 3 or 4 of these because I love them. It is such a great bowl. I've used this for pancake mix. I've used it for making a small salad. I've actually eaten a very large salad out of this. And the thing I really do love about them is that the little gripper bottom on them. When you buy these, make sure that the gripper is there, because as you can see, it comes off really, really easily. And you don't want to lose that. And that helps keep it stable on your countertop whenever you're mixing or anything. For pancakes, this is a game changer. It's not too bad when you just want to eat a big giant salad and be a little bit of a piggy. Now, the other thing that I do like at Dollar Tree is the unscented candles. Now, whenever I'm in the kitchen, I always have unscented candles. Smelly candles all over my house. In the kitchen, only unscented candles, because I don't want the smell of the candle to compete with the smell of my food. I make that a rule for the dining room table as well. And I love these particular ones in white that are tall like this, because when they do light up, especially when they start to burn down, they really make a beautiful atmosphere. And I like to put these on the table. I like to rise them with different like acrylic risers or acrylic cubes, and create a very cool tablescape. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up. It's a great way to kind of have a little romantic, you know, romantic night, hopefully weekend, hopefully week, hopefully month. But, you know, you can do a lot of really cool things with these, and you can also melt them down and make candles with them as well. And these are something that I always have on hand because, again, they're so easy to entertain with. I do also like a lot of the kind of oven mitts and these kind of towels, these decorative fancy ones. Now I use them. They're $1.25 if they get stained. So what? This one I thought was really, really cute. I love what it says, and it kind of goes with this. I don't know if it's a set, but I think it's pretty close as far as the reds go. And this one says, "This kitchen is seasoned with love." How cute is that? And then this one says, "Simmer down and just roll with it," which I thought was kind of appropriate for my new life that I haven't been embarking on. The towel's kind of thin though, kind of puny. But look at the pattern, the rolling pin pattern. I almost didn't get this one, to be honest, but that rolling pin pattern on the back, I was thinking for a cute DIY, honestly, instead of using this in my kitchen. So more to come there, more to come there. There's some really fun gadgets and different things that Dollar Tree has. And my mixing spoons, I don't have a small set like this. I have a larger set of mixing cups, but I haven't had any of the spoons. And what I was thinking I would do with these is I would take them off of this ring and then use those little command hooks on the inside of my cabinet and then just hook them there. And then as I need one, I can just pull it off. And what I may do, because they would lay, you know, flat and you couldn't see what the sizing was, I may just take a label maker and pop on this side or write with a Sharpie even, you know, what the size is for an easy just grab and go. And then this is a kitchen, a baster. And what I like about it is it's silicone here. It's got this great long handle, which is perfect if you've got to go inside the oven or the grill or anything. I've been grilling a lot and I've been using this kind of baster, or what I've been doing is just taking my, you know, my Italian dressing or whatever it is and putting it in something like this and just pouring it on there. Now I can use this to actually baste my chicken or my vegetables and put them out on the grill. We're fortunate in Georgia, where I live, that we do get some cold days, but we're not getting crazy coldness, not all the time anyway. And so I can still use my grill outside for the most part. Colander, I bought this thing before. I think I had my previous one for almost 3 years before it finally just cracked. And it only cracked up here, but it was I'm just gonna get another one because it's $1.25. And there's so many fun things that you can do with this too. Not only can you use it as a colander, but you can poke some holes in it, hang it with one of those Dollar Tree garden chains, spray paint it to make it look like an old metal colander, and you could put a plant in it, and it could be a hanging planter. And I've done that in a DIY video a while ago. So check it out because there's some fun uses for that. And then the last thing before I get to the kind of the surprise stuff are these great drying mats. Now, I do have a dishwasher, but I also have a kind of pop-up colander for any kind of hand washing that I need to do, and these drying mats are perfect. I like to grab 2 of them because you can put them out on the countertop. You can, you know, have an extra surface. My colander is kind of a smaller one, so I can just stand up glasses and different things on here. And a subscriber of mine mentioned that she has used these in the past, especially some of the patterns that are made around the holidays and stuff, and glued them back to back when you fold them out. And it makes kind of a padded little pillow. You stuff it with some more stuffing or fill or whatever, and then kind of glue or sew it back together. And it makes kind of a cute pillow. So I think that's a cool DIY idea. Now, for some of the bonus things, I'm gonna shift around here because my foot is falling asleep. I grabbed these little burlap kind of pennant flags. I've not seen these before in my Dollar Tree, and these were in the Crafter Square section. This is 4.8 feet, and there's 6 flags in there, 6 burlap flags, and they've got the twine, so they're definitely strung together. And how cute are these? I'm gonna open one up actually so you guys can see. But I thought that these were really, really cute, and I thought that they were going to be perfect. Oh yeah, see? They're gonna be perfect for spring DIYs. Happy birthday, welcome home. They're burlappy, so you could paint on them. You could use stencils on them. So many fun things. That's 4.8 feet right there. You can't see all, I forgot. So that's 4.8 feet. And you could create some fun Easter signs and different things with those. And I thought that they were really, really fun. I've not tried these vacuum storage bags before. I don't know if any of you guys have or not, but I wanted to give it a try because I need a place to kind of store extra bedding and sheets, and I'm going to kind of zip those up in that bag and find out if they work or not. The other thing that I grabbed, since we are kind of talking about home related things here, how cute is that? It's a little house on the end of this little beaded string. I love grabbing these beads. Anything that's got a bead, and especially when it's already painted, I'm gonna grab them because it's a less paint that I have to do. But I thought that was so cute. Like, you know those little laser art keys that they sell at Dollar Tree in the Crafter Square section? Like, how cute could that be to just give somebody as like a gift? I think I made something like that actually in a DIY video. Dollar Tree, are you watching my videos? And if you are, great. The other thing that I thought was super cute were these little beaded gems. They're just kind of like little circles. Not really big enough for a necklace. It'd be a great little necklace for Otis. But I loved this kind of plaid bead that was on there. I thought that was super cute. And then of course the black and the white and the cream colored I thought were great. This will be perfect. I do think that these are also really, really cute to put like on your door handles and things like that. So, but I'm probably just gonna cut them off that string and use them in my craft room. These were really, really cute. And I thought that they were adorable. These little star mirrors. What's super cool about these and what I was excited about is that the back, you can see that there are screws there, and there's screws on each one of the points. So you can take this out, you can take the mirror out, and then you can paint the frames very, very easily, and then, you know, put the mirrors back in there or use them as a picture frame. Super, super cute, fun things you can do. This little jewel I thought was adorable. It's a candle kind of wax melter. And I don't really keep a lot of these around the house. In fact, I will only use this if I'm like here at my desk in the craft room or something, because I don't want Otis to knock it over. But it's got like that little face, kind of reminds me like a little tiki thing or something. But just thought it was fun. That tiki thing gave me an idea actually for a DIY. And then this was something that I have not seen at Dollar Tree. They are self-adhesive stencils. Super, super cute stencils. And they're designed with a little bit of space in between so you can cut these if you need to. I think some of these could be really cute, like done around a picture frame. And with that self-adhesion, that's gonna be very, very key. Hopefully it sticks. It's Dollar Tree, so we'll see. And then I did grab some Crafty Cares donation items. I grabbed some canned goods. They had these big cans of tomatoes. They had some beans. They had some, I grabbed some enchilada sauce because I have some other like Spanish rice and different things like that, some refried beans, and then a can of black beans. So definitely a little bit of a theme, I guess, with this one. But I did make a Crafty Cares donation today, dropped off an entire huge tub of some stuff, and that was definitely really cool. And some of you guys have been sharing your photos with me on Instagram, so thank you. That's really, really cool. I love seeing that, and definitely want to encourage you to continue to do it and continue to share with me. Now, this is a sneak peek at some DIYs that are coming up. I'm gonna do it real quick. I went to Walmart. If you guys saw my Walmart haul, they have a dollar spot and they had these really cute cutting boards. Look what I did. Okay, that's all you get. And I will have those featured in an upcoming video very, very soon. All right, guys, that is my haul. Definitely thank you to all of you for watching. Also, I want to thank my sponsor, Green Chef. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. Be sure and check out that link in the description box below. You can save a little money, get some really good, yummy food, and make some really healthy dinners for you guys. All right, guys, take care, and I will chat with you later. Bye-bye. Bye.